Welcome to the Diocesan Online Learning Initiative. This program put out by the diocese for all of our high schools in the 19 county diocese of Toledo will provide a number of different kinds of courses. Some of you may have already taken other online courses through this diocesan initiative or perhaps from some other program. Some of you, though, may not have had any experience with online courses, so it will take a bit of adjusting, and we'll be talking a bit about that in a moment. First of all, so that you know who your teacher is, and as I said, I am teaching business courses. I teach Introduction to Business, I teach Personal Finance, and I teach Accounting 1 and Accounting 2. So a bit about my background. I worked for the diocese for over 40 years, starting way back in the 1970s at Sandusky St. Mary's Central Catholic High School, where I was a teacher and a coach for 14 years. From there, I went to Tiffin, and I was principal at Tiffin Calvert High School for 5 years. From there, I moved to Toledo, along with my family, my wife and 3 kids, and I started at Toledo Central Catholic as the assistant principal. Eventually became principal for 6 years at Central Catholic in Toledo. And from there, I went to the central office where I was superintendent for 7 years. I retired in the year 2010, and I'm now currently doing part-time work such as this for the diocese. So that's a bit about me. As I said, these courses online will be a bit different than what you're used to in the normal classroom. You do not have a textbook. Everything is provided for you that you need, but it is very important that you understand the necessity of keeping up. It would be very easy to skip an online course and try to make it up later. I would advise against that. You really do need to keep up. You need to be on here every day. I will have lessons or assignments or quizzes or tests every day, so you need to keep up. I will try to explain as much as I can for you so that you understand the process. But if you do have questions, there's a way to do that. There's a way to ask questions that everyone in the class can see, but there's also a private messaging system that allows you to ask private questions of me if you're struggling. So take advantage of that. As I said, it's important that you keep up, don't fall behind. At this point, then, I would ask you to go back to your course page and follow the directions that I've given you there. Good luck in the course, and as I said, if you have questions, don't feel hesitant to let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As I said, we will be having courses or assignments for your courses every day, and if you do have later on in the year a snow day or a day for retreat or something that keeps you out of class, then obviously we will make up the work when you get back in class. But if you are ill, if there's a reason that you're going to be missing a class, if you have a field trip or something that you know is coming up, please let me know ahead of time by sending me a message. Thank you.